Don't test 32 minutes late. Come on. Do the test. Do the test. Do it. Do the test. Come on. Do it. Do the test. Here we go.
Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter.
And
Will
the
occur
262
even
didn't
if
go
you are
off.
using a
It never
quality
goes off.
receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Imagine they do it as a double header. That won't happen.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous
Okay, that was the test.
portions of North and Central Georgia. For this
But-
afternoon and tonight, no
Okay.
hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Showers and isolated thunderstorms move back into the area Monday and Tuesday. Otherwise, no hazardous weather is expected. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not...
Nice.
Current time is 11:30.
Okay. Let's do a little analysis here. So, EAR 10 went off. Black EAR 10 went off. 6.7 went off. Version 5 number 2 went off. Version 2 went off.
Wait, how many? Wait, do you have a WX? Do you have a WX 26167 or something?
You have a 167. The version 3 went off. The other version 5 went off. The 260 went off. 258 went off. 249 went off. This piece of junk didn't go off.
Some junk didn't go off.
The 74200 went off. Version 4 went off. FR800 went off. Cover went off. W10 went off. Recon went off. 167 went off. 1630 went off. The 1650 went off, by the way. 996 went off. 2004 261 went off. WR120 went off. 251 went off. WX500 went off. 521 went off. And the 25... This died as soon as EAS tone started. Yeah, it died. And
You still a piece of.
the 254 went off.
My 1854 died.
Okay, so that concludes the weekly test, and I was here along with.
SBC Twin Cities Trans 271.
And I'll see you guys later. PP.